By leveraging AI, we can gain valuable insights into our business processes, uncovering risks and optimizing our operations. Let's explore how a combination of top-down and bottom-up perspectives can maximize the benefits. From a top-down perspective, AI can analyze high-level data and identify patterns across the organization. It enables us to assess overall risks, detect inefficiencies, and identify opportunities for improvement. On the other hand, from a bottom-up perspective, AI can zoom in on individual processes, such as supply chain management, customer service, or production. It allows us to pinpoint bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and optimize resource allocation. By combining these perspectives, we gain a comprehensive understanding of our business processes. We can identify areas of high risk, such as compliance or data security vulnerabilities, and develop targeted mitigation strategies. Simultaneously, we can uncover opportunities to streamline operations, eliminate redundancies, and enhance overall efficiency. AI-driven insights allow us to make data-informed decisions and drive continuous improvement across the organization. Additionally, by harnessing AI in real time, we can continuously monitor and adapt our business processes. Machine learning algorithms enable predictive analytics, alerting us to potential risks or performance deviations before they escalate. Ultimately, AI enables us to transform our business processes into agile, efficient, and risk-aware operations. By combining the top-down and bottom-up perspectives, we unlock valuable insights that drive sustainable growth and operational excellence.